Hi, good Modike morning, and welcome back once again to our new video learning session. Today, we are going to learn the step-by-step process for enrolling new consultants to Modicare. First, go to Google Chrome, enter Modicare address www.modicare.com, enter. So here you can see join Modicare and below you can see become a consultant. Click here. You can see two boxes on the left hand side. One box is already marked which says I am at least 18 years old, and click the second box also which says I accept all terms and conditions to become Modicare consultant. And in this box enter the sponsor MCA number. For demo purpose I am entering this number and click next. So this is the second page. This will ask you the complete details and your date of birth. So first name, enter your first name. Last name also, please enter it and click here date of birth. Ensure that you first select the year. Select the year first and then the month and the day. So that comes here. If you have a co-applicant, you mark here and then enter your co-applicant's details. And if you don't want to enter, simply leave it blank. And then click next. So this is the third page, which is asking you to fill up all the details of your residential address. So as far as possible, try to provide all the details so that delivery of the goods can be much easier. So first is house number. So type your house number. Okay. Go to the street. So here I mention as my street. Okay. And in the address column, type the complete address. So I write a Blue Moon apartment, ground floor, and house name as UTHRRAM Uttram. Landmark is also very much needed because this helps the courier people to trace your location. So give the landmark. So in this example, I am giving landmark as blue dot go down. Pin code 682020. Once you enter the pin code, you can see the location also. So select the location and then enter your mobile number. Additional mobile number or alternate mobile number is very much mandatory. This is again for ease of delivery. You can give anybody's number. You can give your parents, your wife, your husband's, or your children's, any number you can give. Okay. And in the email ID, please provide your email ID so that in future any communication has to be done, company can send this communication to this email ID. So I'm entering my email ID here. Okay. And then click next. So this is the fourth page wherein you have to enter all the details and upload the documents. So this is called as KYC documents. Know your customer. First one is PAN number. So enter the PAN number. Okay. Once you do that, the second option is ID proof type. ID proof means your identity proof. And once you click here, you can see some options. voters ID, driving license, passport, PAN card, Aadhaar card. So which one you want to upload? Select the corresponding name. So here I am selecting PAN card. So the number has come here. Please ensure that the PAN card number what you are entering here has to be the same in the PAN card also. So select the file. In the earlier video, I have shared the information that any file which you have to upload, please keep it in the desktop first. So I am uploading my PAN card. So it is uploaded. Now comes the address proof. Once you click here, you can see what all documents you can upload. You can select voter's ID, driving license, passport, Aadhaar card, ration card, telephone bill, electricity bill, gas connection, and bank statement. So I am selecting driving license. So once I select driving license, I have to enter the driving license number. And please ensure the driving license number what you enter here has to match with the document what you upload. So I am entering here as my driving license number and choose the file. I go to downloads. I have, so that is also done. So once the driving license is also uploaded, that means your address proof is also uploaded, and then click next. So this is the fifth page. This is the page which captures the bank details. So why company needs bank details? Because as and when you are eligible for the income or bonus, company can transfer the same to your bank account. The first box is consultant name in bank account. Many a times consultant fill the bank name, but that is not required here. It is consultant's name in the bank account. So what is your name in the bank? That you have to mention. So I am entering here Rajal K. And second box is IFSC code. IFSC code is always 11 digit. So I am entering my IFSC code. Once you complete the IFSC code, you can see the which branch it belongs to. So click that and then enter your account number. Enter the full account number, whichever is printed in the check leaf or in the passbook. Okay. So I am entering my account number here. And same thing you have to enter here. This is just to confirm whether you have written the same account number. Okay. And then choose the file. The file can be your check leaf or your bank passbook front copy, which captures all your name, your account number, and IFSC code. So I am entering KYC as the file name. This is actually the NEFT document. Okay. So once you select this, you have to click register. Ensure that whenever you are uploading any documents, the size of the file should not exceed more than 2 MB. So I once again choose the file because it is not uploaded. I go to this PC, download, and this is my NEFT. So I have uploaded. And once you click register, you will get an 8-digit MCA number. And this number is your MCA number through which you can start buying the products and through which you can also start sponsoring. So this is how you have to enter the KYC details of your new sponsor. I am sure the information shared to you all was very useful. We will come back once again with the new videos. Until then, thank you and bye bye.